Okay, our second recipe. It's got 8 clues. You see it right there, the Super Vitamix Immersion Blender on steroids. That's clue 1. Pineapple chunks. They could remain as chunks, but they're probably going to get pureed. You ready for the next clue? Well, this one you have to ignore the bottle, so I'm not going to show the front. It is liquid smoke. Okay, the next clue. Have you got it? There's 3 clues up there. Hello? Anybody? Okay, now here comes the next clue. This is like normal everyday stuff in our house. Garlics. 4 clues. Do I hear anybody? I don't. Okay. I'm going to use some serrano peppers. Ooh. Any guesses yet? Anybody? Okay, here's the next clue. Ginger. Hello? 6 clues up there. Come on, guys. Hit the buzzer. No. Okay. So, here comes the next clue. A turkey breast. That's scary. It's got ribs, back portion, wing portion, and neck skin. And a gravy packet. Who wants gravy on top of that? Okay. I don't hear anybody saying they know what it is. Huh?
I got a guess.
Okay.
She's making chop suey.
Wrong. And for our last mystery ingredient, because I promised this, to prepper potpourri. Here it is. Spam. Ugh. But we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Now, any more guesses?
Chicken stroganoff.
Oh, that's that little packet of gravy, right? Okay, folks. You really disappoint me. Maybe, if I get so inspired, I might put some onion in it too. You just never tell with Morgan. Well, one bites the dust. This is the mystery meal of the day.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, please. Well, I got the 2 back pieces off this bird. We'll cook those in soup. And here's some sliced garlic. Here's the fried Spam. I just learned something with Spam. I didn't put any oil in this pan at all. And there is no oil in this pan. No loose drops. I was surprised. I thought it'd be really fatty, but it's not. Now what we do, I get to dress the bird. Stay tuned. This is our alien Spam and turkey, better known as Spurkey. It's stuffed with slices of Spam. Let's see, serranos or some kind of pepper, red pepper. Our homemade ginger puree that we use a lot of. And the garlic we put in there too and pureed it. Dagny says it's knockout. And we have pineapple juice. And I'm going to drizzle some olive oil and then bring the skin back up on it, skewer it closed, and we're going to set it in our thing, I don't know what you call those, basters, whatever, and let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge. We got 2 huge backs off that. I don't know where they went. Well, here we are. The alien baby has been cut. So what are you going to do?
I'm going to take it off and put it over here, let it rest for a few minutes, and Morgan's going to do her magic carving. Maybe.
So we'll be back.
Okay, took an internal temperature with my instant read thermometer, and it was 165 in the back, 167 in the front.
Wow.
It is ready.
Okay, I've cut a couple pieces out. If I can zoom in. Do you see a slice of spammo and red peppers and whatever? Okay, this looks delicious. We're going to serve it on a plate and maybe I'll take another picture.